This video is intended to provide you with a very brief overview of Open Badge Factory and the tools that are in it and why it's designed the way it is. Essentially, it's designed to be a centralized badge issuing platform that can work with other systems such as learning management systems. I'm logged into the system. I'm going to take you through the process, starting with creator tools. It's roles based, so you can have some people who can create badges, other people you would only trust to issue badges. So these are the badges I've already created. I can start creating a new one. I can create badge applications. I have a video about that. If I have several badges that I want to be combined into something called a milestone badge, I can associate those badges here. And there are a number of tools to sort of speed things up. Images to use quickly for badges, templates and for both badges themselves and for the badge applications. So after a badge is created, it can be issued. This is the issuer interface. If I were just an issuer, I would not see these tabs, of course. I can issue badges manually. All I need is a person's email address. If I want to issue to several people at once, I can put in a list of recipients. I can review badge applications where people are applying for badges. I show that process in other videos. And then I can issue the badge. Now, something to bear in mind here, this is manual issue of badges. However, I mentioned connections with the learning management system. I'm in another browser here just briefly, logged out of Open Badge Factory. If I go to the FAQ, I'll just show you quickly where to find the documentation about the so-called Open API. So can we develop plugins for our own systems? Click here, and this is documentation about the Open Badge Factory REST API. I'll just pop back. So after a badge is being issued, what happens to it? That's another part of the philosophy of Open Badge Factory. Badge issuers want to know how their badges are faring after they're issued. So there's a whole reports section where you can see how many badges you've created, which are the popular ones, how they're doing. And basically this will tell you how many badges have been accepted, how many badges have been clicked on by other people, what do people think about their badges. There's a sort of a 1 to 5 star rating. What's the status of the badge applications? And that is a very brief summary of what's inside Open Badge Factory.